organization 100, and these are the column: index, organization ID, name, website, country. So first we'll make a table in MySQL naming index, organization, name, website, and country. So we'll connect to SQL server first. Okay, so we did that. You can see it's so for that the code is we have to create a table. So we'll give the name first for database as org. Org is the database name. You can see we are using that database, which is org. Then we'll create a table which is comp for company, and in that we should have columns, right? So for that we choose index, organization, name, website, and country. Index is an integer, so you'll see that I put int in it, and it has 4, so there will be 4 integers, right? And so on. Organization variable characters, so there could be 50 characters, so which is the range of that. Same for name, website, and country. So you'll see these columns in the CSV file, which is index, organization, name, website, and country. Okay, so we'll create this table first in the MySQL. Okay, so we'll open MySQL and we'll execute this, and we have to execute the whole code, not this statement. We have to execute the whole code. So we did that. You'll see that now the name of the columns: index, organization, name, website, and country. So this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to import this data, right, for organization, index, name, website, and country, right? Okay, so we'll go back to MySQL and we'll you can see that there's schema means database. So we'll select that uh, database, which is org. You can see the name of that database. We clear right click on that table and we'll import from the file, the CSV file. You can see that. So this is what we are doing it. You can see the name, same name. Now we'll just click next, and we already have made the table, so which is uh, database name is org and the table name is comp, so which is mentioned over there. So now we'll just use that, check the use existing table and click next. Since we are importing only 5 columns: index, organization, name, website, and country, so the remaining will just uncheck. So which is description, founded, industry, name of employees, etc. So we'll import only this data. Okay, so we'll go back to MySQL. Okay, and now we'll just click next and we'll start importing it, and it's done. And you can check that log. See, there's no error in it, so that means everything is done successfully. And you can see it shows 100 records imported, and we already know that we have 100 records, so we have done it successfully, right? Now we'll go back to MySQL and finish this. Yeah, right. Okay, and since in that table there is no data, so what we have to do, we have to execute that last line. So we'll do that. So you can see that Now it's executed, and you can see the all the 100 records over there. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you.